friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Dollar General and this awesome deal that they have this week to get these cheesecakes for either $1 or 50 cents. And I'm going to jog you through two different ways how you can get this on the cheap or the very cheap. This is just a really good opportunity to stock up on these Jello no bakes. I mean, they are really, really great too. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is in the ad. As you can see, they're 2 for $3. And if you look in the app as well, it's the same price point. There's a York one. You'd have to scan that one in the store. I could not track it down, but they have a whole bunch of different flavors. I think they even have like a death by chocolate cheesecake. But anyhow, in the store, you're going to see that they're going to be tagged. The ones specifically that are 2 for $3. It has to be $2.95 or larger. It'll either be in the regular baking section, the holiday baking section, or they might have an end cap with a display of nothing but this. And just to show you, this is the digital coupon that you need loaded, which is a 2 off of 6, and it is in fact attaching. And if you look at the bottom, it says offer 2 for $3, so that's what it's working in concert with. So just doing it with this one coupon, let's look at a quick deal. We're going to grab 4 of the Kraft no-bake cheesecakes. They are 2 for $3, so for 4 of them, that's $6. Subtracting that 2 off of 6, so at checkout, you'll punch in your phone number. That 2 off of 6 will come off. You're left with paying $4 out of pocket, essentially making each cheesecake $1 each. Considering that a box of this is almost $3, to get it for $1, well, that is the value. And let's not forget, this is only once per store card, as all digital coupons are once per store card over at the Dollar General. So if you are so lucky that you have a Meijer grocery store, this has been found on a display in the baking section, which is $1 off too. This has also been found, this coupon, it's a tear pad, at Publix. So if you have either of those grocery stores, be on the lookout for it. So utilizing 2 of these, grabbing 4 of those Jello cheesecakes, that's 6 on the nose, subtracting the 2 off of 6 Dollar General coupon, plus $2 off 2 tear pad manufacturer coupons, subtracting another $2, you're left with paying $2 out of pocket for the 4 cheesecakes, shaking it out to 50 cents each. Wow, that is really inexpensive. Even myself, guys, I'll give you a true little story here. I was making a pumpkin pie and I ran out of pie crust, and I used one of these graham cracker pie crusts because I needed something like on the quick. And sure enough, it worked perfectly. I made some homemade ice cream a couple days ago and it just was missing some flavor. So my husband's like, it would really taste good if it was strawberry. I actually deconstructed some of I've been Frankensteining these boxes. So if you are a baker, or if you just are creative with your cooking, I mean, there's 100 different ways you could use one of these boxes. And I've certainly been doing that since the last sale. So I need to restock up because I've been using so many little bips and bobs from these boxes. And always check the expiry date, because if it's expiring in a week from now, that's absolutely not the one you want to buy. But it's right here on the top of the package, and May is a pretty good time. You have a good long time to use these cheesecakes, especially if you're buying 4 at a time, or maybe 8, or maybe 12. But that's where the expiry dates are. And let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Guys, I mean, I think I got like 70 points for buying some cheesecake, which is fantastic. Kraft is part of their catalog, so this will give you back extra points towards gift cards. This is a tremendous app. If you have not signed up, and if you're a Dollar General shopper, you should start photographing all your receipts. Check out the link in the notes. Use my referral code. For new signups only, you'll be given $2 or 2,000 points when you submit your first receipt. It could be a pack of gum that you bought last week, so check that out. And they have a lot of freebies between November and December, especially closer to Christmas. Now, Dollar General is just really trying to get people into their store, especially bakers or home chefs, because they have a lot of really decent coupons that showed up on Sunday to get a lot of stuff like vegetable oil for 90 cents, a bag of all-purpose flour for $1, and then we have like the powdered sugar or the light brown sugar for $1. I mean, these are killer prices. And I have used the Clover Valley brand because I got all that oil recently, and it is quite comparable to like any other oil. So it's really great. And I mean, this is some tremendous value too. What I love about shopping at the Dollar General right now is that the store isn't crammed with people like a Walmart or a Meijer, so you can just navigate a little quickly, get in and out of the store faster. So I really appreciate that, especially now. I'm trying to avoid Walmart because it's been kind of crowded, and I'm just not, with everything going on in the world, I'd rather be in a smaller store. These prices are very comparable to like a Walmart, if not better. And these are the digital coupons, guys. So even if, you aren't going to be making a huge spread for Thanksgiving, if you like to make cookies or bake or just even stuff that you need for your pantry, I would grab one of each, because for any home cook, this is essential meat and potatoes kind of stuff, and they're offering really, really generous Dollar General store coupons to accompany with. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.